Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a cherry almond smoothie. Real easy to make. So you want to start off with one banana that, of course, we've sliced up, followed by 2 cups of frozen pitted cherries. You'll find these in the your frozen food section of your local grocery store. Then you want to add 1 cup of almond milk. I'm using vanilla flavored almond milk to be specific. Then you want to add about a half a cup of plain yogurt. And once you've added about a tablespoon of honey, it's time to blend away until everything is nice and pureed together. Basically, keep blending until you have a smoothie. And once that's done, just grab a glass and pour it in. And that is a cherry almond smoothie. Done.